Okay, hi guys. So this is like the fourth time I'm recording videos for. So this video, like a lot of you all texted me like, make a video for the guys, make a video for the guys, and like a lot of my cousins, my guy friends, everyone like, Are make something for the boys, yeah. And then I'm like, okay, let's keep that in consideration. Feel like many people even told me to make my brother my model, and I'm like, sure. And then I went to my brother. He kicked me out of the room. Yeah. So then I was like, okay, what should I do? Then he gave me this idea that I should reply to pickup lines. So I kind of went in a bit too much and thought that end me now what I'll do is for first I'll like read all the things you guys have sent on my story, and then uske baad I'll see जो भी best है ना, like I think 5 best or something, and I'll send those to my guy friends or like any guys who I talk to. I'm gonna see their reaction. And like so that I can see that if this works or it doesn't. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so I put it on my story and I got like many replies, so thank you. Let's start with the first one. Are you a fart? Because you blew me away. What is this? What? What is this? I give this a minus. Did it hurt when you fell from heaven? 2 out of 10. Are you lost if we go? 100 out of. Then the next one is, there's something wrong with my phone. It doesn't have your number in it. This is also nice. I think I'll give this a 8 out of 10. Yeah, 8 out of 10. Did your license get suspended for driving all these guys crazy? That is good. I'll give it a 9. Have you already ordered your food? Because I haven't. Well, you seem hot. I'm ready. What? Okay. Can I tie your shoelaces because I don't want to fall for someone else? 4. I don't know. Aside from being sexy, what do you do for a living? 6, I guess. Can I have a pic of yours so that I can show Santa what I want for Christmas? This is cute. I'll give this a full 9 out of 10, okay? Did you just fart because you... Arey bro, what is this? I don't like this one. Are you a magician? You just made everyone else disappear. I would give it like a 7. Yeah. Is your name Gillette? Because you're the best a man can get. 7 out of 10. I'm no photographer, but I picture us together. अरे ये मैंने देखे हुए यार, थोड़े better लाना यार. I would give this a 5. Not bad because it's not bad. Are you a bank loan because you got my interest? Accounts ही करो तुम सारे गुंडेचा वाले, accounts ही करो पूरा दिन. 5 again. Do you have a map? I keep getting lost in your eyes. Kinda cute. 6 out of 10. We're not socks, but I think we made a great pair. कहाँ से ला रही है भाई तू? I think I'll give this a 4. Did you just come out of the oven because you're hot? 6 out of 10. Can I follow you because my parents always told me to follow my dreams? This is good. I would give this a 8. I would give it a 8. You can do a challenge video of reacting characters from the show. Bro, I'm not asking for suggestions, but thank you. I'll yeah. Are you a soup because you're damn hot? Get that reaction? Now PC me. Are you a jhadu because you sweep me off my feet? Bro, what? Why? 2 out of 10. U plus x equals to 12. Can you solve this? I'm sure x will be 2 because you're a 10. Ooh! I think I would give this an 8. Do you play football because you look like a keeper? 6 out of 10, I guess. Are you pizza because I want to eat you up? Bro, what is wrong with you? This is going on my YouTube. No one uses pickup lines. किसी ने पूछा पूछा किसी ने तुझसे मजाक कर रही है. Are you a screw? Cause I want to bang you. Okay, we go to the next one. Are you from Delhi? Cause you have my dill. No, I'm not. I'll give this 4 out of 10. Sorry, yeah. You're Nike. I'm McDonald's. You just do it, and I'm loving it. I think like it's not like the first time you hear it, it's nice. Like I said, it's a nice pickup line, but like I think everybody's heard it. And 8. It's not bad, but I think too common. I think that's the only problem, and that's. Now we go to the next story. इसमें भी replies आया. Let's see. Okay. Are you Netflix? Cause you're my addiction. Ooh, boy. I think I'll give this 8 out of 10. It's good. It's good. I'm not drunk. I'm just intoxicated by you. Ooh, I think this is. I don't like it personally. I think I'll give it a 2. How was it when you left heaven? It was good. I miss heaven. I think I'll give this 2. Okay, I had someone who used a bad pickup line on me. It's like, did you just fart? Arey, what is with this fart? Blew me away. One and 3 people wrote the same thing. What is wrong? Bro, what? Had ho gayi. Boys, why would you use this on someone? Tell me. What is wrong with you all? Need a pillow to sit on? I can be yours if you want. YouTube video है यार. Please ऐसा सब मत भेजो मुझे. Kiss me if I'm wrong, but dinosaurs still exist, right? I think I would give it like 5 out of 10. Like frankly, I don't like it that much, but it's not bad. Do you believe in love at first sight, or should I pass you again? 4 out of 10. Are you a keyboard because you're my type? 4 out of 10. Are you a candle because I want to blow you? The fuck? Just so you know, my lips won't just kiss themselves. 3. I don't mind being a chewing gum for you. Just use me and throw for all I care. 4. प्रथम भाई तो गालियाँ क्यों लिख रहा है मेरे रिप्लाईज में? काम धंधा नहीं है लाइफ में? I think you're my उत्तपा flat crunchy and always sweet shit. West. पलक से ले जा. I'm gonna give the credits. Let's go fuck off together. चल ना, चल पलक चल. Do you like to spit? My mouth is free. Bro, what? Minus. I give this minus. Are you a beach? Because I want to wear a bikini near you. Oh shit. हाँ बस रेस्ट फिर सिर्फ गालियाँ लिखी है मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स ने, वो मैं नहीं रीड कर रही. Okay, so I realized my screen recording does not have the voice option in it, so I have literally like sent my friends the whole pickup lines again, like all the pickup lines again. I'm just gonna wait for the reply. So till then, I'm gonna show you guys the reply of the guys that I had sent yesterday. So they have all replied aaj tak. So I'm gonna read them. Okay, so the first one is this guy, like we're like really close friends. I was like, can I have a pic of yours so that I can show Santa what I want for Christmas? He was kind of like rating my line, and then I'm like, hello dumbass, I'm using this on you. And then he's like, and then he replied to the line, and then he was like, oh, only if I can get yours beautiful. I think that was pretty cute. I think that was a pretty cute reply. I think this line is a good one. Like it's a pass. Okay. Then the second one, I sent it to this guy friend of mine. So he's like, also like, I'm pretty comfortable with him. So I wrote, is your name homework? Because I'm not doing you, but I should be. And then he sent me emojis. Because it's his OG emoji. And I'm like, lol, it was for YouTube. He's like, samjha. So he kind of knew that it was for YouTube somehow. And the next guy I sent is okay, yeah. Even this guy I'm not really comfortable with. Yeah, I was like, are you a beach? Because I always want to wear a bikini around you. Yeah. Okay. And then he was like, yes, I'm a beach. So when are you planning to wear a bikini around me? And he puts in laughing emojis and that's it, yeah. Then there's this other guy. Yeah, okay, so he had like texted me recently. I think replied to my story or something, and I found him like really cute. So I texted him. I'm like, there's something wrong with my phone. It doesn't have your number in it. Then he's like, oh dang, LMAO, you should complain about it in a company. I'm laughing. He's like, do you want my number seriously? I'm like, LMAO, no. It was a YouTube video. I was trying out pickup lines and guys, LMAO, it's cool. So yeah, that's sorry to make it awkward, bro. The next guy I tried it on. This guy has a girlfriend, but like, who cares? So I'm like, are you Netflix? Cause you're my addiction. And he's like, are you tea? Cause you're hot. Bro, you have a girlfriend. What are you doing? Now I need to check who else have I texted. Oh yeah, I think I texted more. I think there's more. There's more tea, guys. I'm like, can I follow you? Because my parents always told me to follow my dreams. And he's like, wow. Bro, what is this reaction? I'm like, it was for YouTube, LMAO. He's like, I knew. Why do you all know me so well? It's annoying. React अच्छे से now. What is this reaction? Also, I didn't text all the guys in my DMs because like there are too many, and second of all, I just did it with guys who I'm like comfortable with. Okay, so I had like a video call like all my best friends, and I did screen record, but like there was no volume in it. So I kind of like like texted them, and they sent their reactions again. So the first line is, are you homework? Cause I'm not doing you, but I should be. Okay, so in this one, Palak gave it a 9, Nosh gave it a 2, Pati gave it a 6, Orina gave it an 8. I think this is a pretty decent one. Like, Nosh just has high standards, guys. Are you the beach? Because I feel like wearing a bikini near you. Okay, so for this one, Palak gave it a 9 again. Nosh gave it a 1. Nosh, what is this? Parthi gave it a 4, and Orina gave it a 8.5. The points में कौन number देता है बे? The third one is there's something wrong with my new phone. It doesn't have your number in it. Okay, so like Palak gave this a 7, Nush gave it an 8, Pati gave it a 7, and Orina gave it a 5 or 6. Then the next one is, are you Netflix? Because I'm addicted to you. Okay, so Palak gave it a 6, Nush gave it a 3, Pati gave it a 7, Orina gave it a 4. So can I follow you? Because my parents always told me to follow my dreams. So Palak gave it a 6, Nush gave it a 7, Pati gave it a 7, Orina gave it a 7. So I think this one's good too. Frankly, my favorite one is the Santa one, which I just realized I forgot to mention in these. Like, what am I doing? So yeah, the Santa one was too cute. Like, please use it on me, guys. Okay, if you guys have made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Also, look at my fake Gucci. Lol. Yeah, it's kind of cold now, and I really love this weather. So let me know in the comment section for more such video ideas. And if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, do everything. And if you don't like it, still subscribe, okay, and still like it, because I'm your friend.